Hello guys, I have some problem with the battery BMS battery monitoring system. I'm planning to change to a new battery, so I need to reset my battery because I'm going from smaller battery to bigger size battery. So in your car you have to reset the battery maintenance program and you have to select the new battery in the car. So I purchased this OBD LINK MX Plus, where you can go and change the settings of the battery. Like you have to select the size of the battery so that the charger know what size of the battery it's charging. So it will be good for your car, otherwise you'll have problem. So I have purchased this OBD LINK Max Plus to reset the battery setting. So this is the OBD Max Plus. It comes with a nice case box here, and it has a 3-year warranty. So the device is very little, small one here. It's a very little device. This is the connector pins. So it will go under the one next to the driver side foot wall. You can plug in there, and there will be this light will be on. And then so first you have to do the download the app, OBD Link app, and you can select OBD Max Plus because this is a Max Plus. So you have to select the Max Plus and then download the engine and download the software in your phone or in your mobile app, and then you plug the adapter in the car, and then you start the engine, and then OBD port is in the driver, so you have to put the driver, and then you push the pair button. So there is a pair button here. You see there's a pair button here in the device. There's the pair button, you see, it's below the O, and then you connect through Bluetooth, and then you will launch the OBD Link app on your phone. So that's why it will connect to the OBD through your phone, and you can go to the different settings in the app, and then you can change your battery settings and BMS settings and battery size, etc. So thank you.